CQ and standing by. QRZ.
3 Alpha Tango 282.
Yeah, 3 Alpha Tango 282. Go ahead, over.
Yeah, go ahead. Very good evening, my friend. I am 3 Alpha Tango 282, operator Beto, QSL.
Roger, roger, my friend. Good copy. Your 5 and 7, 5 and 8, your signal report. The operator name here is Vinny, Victor, India, November, Yankee, operator Vinny. And my QTH, the QTH here is near to the city of Glasgow, about 20 kilometers northwest of Glasgow. Can you repeat your name, operator name again, please, over?
Yes, okay, Vinny, QSL, no problem. Okay, Vinny, my operator name Beto, like Bravo, Echo, Tango, Ocean. Operator Beto, my locator in São Paulo, Vinny, QSL.
Yeah, Roger, Beto, 100%. Lovely audio, my friend. Your audio is excellent, very good audio through my transceiver, but and nice signal 7.8, peaking 7.8 with some QSB, but very strong and lovely audio. Congratulations, my friend, Roger.
Okay, Vinny, many thanks for the flowers, my friend. For a moment, I used the equalized Behringer Studio and the microphone F12, okay? F12 studio microphone. Use the thermometer radio transceiver SDR Hermes Light 2, my antenna IAG 8 element, a homemade antenna. For a moment, use the QRP station 10 watt QSL.
Yeah, Roger, Beto, 100% on the 8 element. Well, excellent. Peaked 5 and 9 on the last over, 59. So excellent. The antenna's working excellent, and the audio on your SDR sounds. You have the Behringer equalizer set very well, because your audio is excellent, Berto. The radio here is a Kenwood transceiver, Kenwood MC90 desk microphone. And we're running 200 watts into a 4-element high gain beam antenna at around about 50 feet above the ground, beaming in your direction, Berto. So, yeah, congratulations. The WX here, incidentally, the WX at the moment is about 7 degrees Celsius, and it's just getting dark here at the moment. Yeah, it's apparently we have a storm on the way as well, Storm Davy, for tomorrow and Sunday. Some high winds coming to the west coast of Berto. But yes, congratulations on the audio. It sounds excellent, Roger.
Okay, Vinny, QSL, many thanks, dear. Yes, very good. Equalized used the Behringer, very nice. It's difficult job. Okay, Vinny, it's a very difficult job in equalizer. Okay. Anyway, brother, I report for you is 5x7, 5x8 is very good sound modulation and signal on radio. Hope you very well in São Paulo, okay, Vinny? Your antenna is job 100%. Okay? Many thanks for the contact, dear Vinny. 108 Division Scotland and 3 Alpha Tango 282 Battle. Have a nice weekend to you. Happy Easter, my dear friend. 282 Beto, São Paulo. 73, bye-bye. Thank you.
Roger, Beto. Pleasure was on this end. And I understand what you mean about the Behringer being difficult, very difficult to set up. You need You need someone with good ears. You need someone to listen at the other end to set the Behringer up. But you have it 100%, my friend. Don't touch it. You have it 100%. Okay, Berto 73 is good DX. Have a nice Easter and hope to catch you again from 108 Tango Papa 06. 73 is my friend. Bye-bye.
Yeah, Vinny, Tango Papa 06, 108 Tango Papa 06. Many thanks, my friend. I'm very happy to hear you. All the best. Enjoying GX 73. Bye-bye. Ciao, ciao.
73, bye-bye.
Hello?
Hello, who's that? Who's that? QRZ, station calling QRZ, over?
Uruguay, 12EK060 OMAR.
Roger, my friend. 12EK060. Good afternoon. My call is 108 Tango Papa Unit 6. And the operator name here is Vinny. Victor, India, November, Yankee. Operator Vinny, Roger.
Okay, 108 Tango, repeat one more time, sorry, QSL. 108 Tango.
Yeah, Tango Papa number 6. 108 Tango Papa number 6, Roger.
Okay, 06, okay. Operator name, sorry.
Roger. The operator name is Vinny, like Victor, India, November, Yankee. Operator Vinny, Victoria, India, November, Yankee. Operator Vinny, Roger.
Okay, very good. My name is Omar, Oscar Mike, American Radio, Omar in South Uruguay, South America, QSL.
Yeah, Roger, Omar, no problem at all. Your signal report here is 5 and 8, 58, and no problem to copy you. Very strong. My QTH, Omar, is near Glasgow, near the city of Glasgow. 20 kilometers northwest of the city of Glasgow, Roger.
Okay, excellent, okay, excellent. 57 in Uruguay. Your modulation is good. Your radio is a 57. Very good signal in Uruguay. The power is 500 in this moment, 500 watts. And the antenna is 8-element low periodic antenna full size. Your direction 108 Tango Papa 06 at 12EK060 QSL.
Yeah, QSL, my friend, 100% on the 8-element. Well, it's working good. It's doing the job, and your Kenwood transceiver sounds Radio Super 5. We're running a Kenwood transceiver on this end also, Kenwood MC98S microphone, 200 watts into a 4-element beaming in your direction, my friend. 4-element. QSD on the band, but you're always super radio band. And on the last row we actually peaked S9, but then your signal drops like a stone, so it's, the band will probably be starting to close here anyway, because it's starting to get dark, so the band will probably shut down very shortly there, Omar. Okay, my friend, WXG is about... here, Omar. Microphone back to you, my friend, from 108.
Okay, 108 Tango Papa 6 at the 12EK060 Omar in Uruguay and South America. Thank you very much for taking my call. And 73, a good luck, a good DX. Muchas gracias. Okay. Very strong, very good modulation. 108 Benin at the 12EK060. Bye for now. 73, ciao.
Roger, 12 Echo Kilo 060 in Uruguay, 108 Tango Papa 06. Okay, Omar, thank you very much for the contact. Pleasure was on this end. You take care. Have a nice Easter and enjoy the weekend.
Okay, bye-bye.
0824.